So guys, I'm going to review the mic I bought from Amazon, the Shure dynamic mic I bought from Amazon. So you can see the mic have arrived. So all we just need to do is to unbox this mic and see what is inside and what they sent to us. So let us unbox it. So what I'm going to do now is to open it with my knife. So I'm just going to open it now. So I'll just put the knife here. And so let us unbox it. I think this mic is going to open now. Wow. So this is it. And so I'm just going to open that like that. Open this. So this is kind of a carton it came with. So this is the Shure microphone. You can see it here. So I'm just going to throw away the Amazon carton. So let us flip it out, as you can see. So let us throw it away. So now we have thrown away the Amazon carton. So this is the Shure mic I bought. So you can see this is the original one. It's not fake, guys. This is the legit one. So I paid for this mic, I think the price was 269 euros or 264 euros. I think it's 264 euro currently right now. It's on sales. Normally it's 333 euros in Amazon, but you might find it in different price because all seller they have it in different price. So it just depends on your lucky seller or a seller you find on Shure. So you have to be careful because some of them are fake. I hope that this is the original one. Sometimes it can come with the carton, but when you open it, it's fake. So yeah, I think the mic is okay. So let us try to open it. So I'm going to open this with my knife just to cut the nylon, and I think I have to push this out like this. And I have to open this like this, then open this like this, then open this like this, and I have to draw it out. So I have to draw it out like this. Okay, so we have drawn it out and we'll put this carton aside. Okay, so now let us open the baby, the Shure itself. Wow. I think the mic came with everything, we hope so. So this is kind of a manual they use to show you how you can set up the mic. You can see say MV7 quick start guide. So yeah, quick start the guide. So if you just want to start using the mic, I think this will help you to just follow the quick start guide. So if you want, you can just follow this up with this manual here. So I will throw away this manual to be aside, and they have another pack. So what is this? I don't know, but this is kind of a protection they use to cover this, so yeah, so this is it, and I hope you are seeing what is coming with. And we have the mic itself, so it's packaged in a good way, so you can see it here. So let us see what it came with. You have to bring it out, and they have a second manual again. It's in French and other country Arabic in multiple language. Is in multiple language, and they have other manuals here so that you can just go through them. But all these I will keep it aside. And I think these are the USBs it came with, so let us keep this here. And I'm going to remove this carton for the moment. No, we don't need it anymore. I think it came with a paper like this, so it came with something like this. I don't know what this is. Just say information to use, so if you want to use it, you can just read this. And so what did it came with? Let us see. So it came with a USB. If you want to plug it directly to your camera, DSLR camera, you can use this. I think that is this one here, if I'm not mistaken, and it came with, I think this one is the universal USB port. Yeah, I will just open it so that you can see, so that you will know the mic you will buy in case you want to order this mic. So this is the USB DSLR that it came with. So this one will allow you to plug it from the camera to your mic or from the mic to your computer. So it just depends on what you want to use it, and you still do that from your mic to your smartphone. Universal USB, so you can if you order it, just know that you are going to come with something like this. And two, you are going to receive something like this again. So it came with two USB cable like this. So it came with something like this. So you know what it came with now, and let us bring out the mic itself. So this is the mic itself. So as you can see, this is the mic itself, and it came with this is kind of a voice filter. I used to call it voice filter. So this form here, so I call it voice filter, and this is the mic itself. So let me open it so that you will see. Put this aside. So as you can see, this is the mic itself, and this is the USB where you are going to be plugging your USB. And if you want to be plugging it, if you want to plug in a microphone, you can. This is the microphone port, and if you want to plug it to kind of a transfer meters, you can go through this, I think. So that is everything I think you have to know when you order Shure mic. So you can see, so this is what I just ordered, and I hope that you find it useful and helpful. I hope that you find this video useful and helpful to you. So yeah, if you want to get this mic, you just need to use the link in the description to access this mic if you want. So the link will be in the description. So that is everything I want to talk about. So these are everything that we receive. So the price I used to order this mic is 264 euros. So in dollars it might be high, so I'm just giving you the price I used to bought it. So in dollar it might be the same, but it might not be the same, so it just depends on where you are. So this is the mic, guys. So just let me know what you think. And so yeah, I hope that you find it useful. And yeah, so that is it, guys. I just say thank you, and don't forget again, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you want me to make any other review about mic, any type of product that you are interested in. I'll say thank you, guys. Don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one.